In Ecoxy, Loyalty Card Info form deals with the creation of new loyalty cards and its information. To access the card info details, click on the inventory menu, select the option Loyalty and click on the card info option. While clicking on the option, it opens to card info search page. With this form, user can manually create a loyalty card or a series of loyalty cards, and user can able to view the used, unused and blocked card information. Now let's take a look at which all options are available in the loyalty card info search. Here it shows the already created details of card info. Here we can see the details like card name, card series, card number, available at, which means available at options in branches or HO. Next is the current status. So these are the informations available in the data table. On the right side of the table, here we have more options. This more option include block and show loyalty customer. If the user want to block a particular card info details, then it can be done by using this option. While we clicking on the block option, the selected card info will be blocked and it will be highlighted in red color. The second one under the more option is show loyalty customer. With this option, user can access the loyalty customer details that created under the card info. While we clicking on the option, it opens to loyalty customer form. Here user can access the complete details of loyalty customer that created under the loyalty card info. While clicking on the exit option, it redirects to loyalty card info search. On the bottom left side of the page, here we have a color format. This red color indicates with blocked cards. Next, on the top left side of the page, here we have a filter option. This filter option helps the user to filter or customize the loyalty card info data. While we clicking on the option, the filter tab will be open, and here user can filter the data by selecting a particular loyalty card name, or by entering a loyalty card series, loyalty card number, or by selecting a branch. User can also filter the data separately by selecting used, unused and blocked card info details. After enter the details, click on the apply option to access the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can enter a card name and can access a particular type of card data. On the right side of the page, we have add new card info option. This option is using for the purpose of create a new card info. Next to the add new option is export option. With this export option, user can export the complete loyalty card info data to Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new loyalty card info. For that, we can use this option. To manually create the loyalty card info details, user need to enable the manual option from preference settings menu. Otherwise, user cannot open this form and the loyalty card info will be automatically generated. If the user enables the automatic mode and while clicking on the add new card info option, then the validation message will be appear with current card number generation mode is automatic. To change settings, go to preference and loyalty, so that user need to change the automatic mode to manual to create the loyalty card info details as manual. For that, click on the settings option and select the option preference. Here we can see the options that included in the preference. Select the option loyalty under the general head. While we clicking on the loyalty option, the loyalty configuration details will be appear. First, here we can see the loyalty customer and number creation. User need to mark the manual option to manually create the loyalty card info. Next, we can see the loyalty redeem option. Here, two options are available to loyalty redeem, which are after tax and before tax. User can select the required one. If the user select the automatic option, then we can see the card generation settings here. By selecting the default card option, user can select a default card and user can enter the starting card number here. Here we have another option like create loyalty membership on customer creation. If we mark on this option, then the loyalty customer will be automatically created when after we created the customer. After arranging the configuration, click on the save option to save these changes. While we clicking on the save option, a validation message will be pop up with saved successfully message. After select the automatic option to manual, next we can select the add new card info to manually create a new card info. While we clicking on the option, it opens to new loyalty card info form. Here user need to enter the following details to create a new card info. The first one is the loyalty card name. Here user need to select the loyalty card name. By clicking on the select option, the list of created card details will be appear and user can select the required one. The next is the loyalty card series. Here user can enter the loyalty card series. After enter the card series, the next option is the loyalty card number from. Here user can enter the from number which the loyalty card should be generated. After enter the from number, the next is the loyalty card number 2. Here user need to enter the number until which the loyalty card is generated. The next is the assign to option. Here user need to select and assign the branches to which that the user want to allocate the cards. By clicking on the select option, the list of branches and the HO details will be appear and user can select the required one. While we select the assign to option, next a table will be appear here on the basis of the data we entered, and it shows the details of series and the card number. After enter the details, click on the save option to save it as a new loyalty card info. Here we have a clear option to clear or cancel this form without saving, and also have an exit option to exit from this page without saving. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to loyalty card info search and the saved data will be available here. So these are the details included under loyalty card info. Thank you.